He tried to trick me. Hey True Gang, welcome back to trulyAlexus. Today I'm doing a spend the day with me. So I have a lot to do today. I'm currently headed to my boyfriend's house to get in the car with him because we're going to take pictures for content for my Instagram page and for his Instagram page. So I'm going to show y'all a better angle of my outfit later, but I'm currently wearing this Express velour jumpsuit. So it's a crew neck, and then I have the matching joggers, and then I'm wearing this LV lock chain. I have on white sneakers, and then I have my LV bag, and then my hair is like leftover curls. I curled like maybe 3 or 4 pieces. I was going to put it in a ponytail, but I looked 5, and then I was going to slick it back, but my edges, like, they won't stay. Like, it's time for me to wash my hair, so I'll probably wash it either tomorrow or Sunday, and then I need to figure out what else I'm doing to it next, but I'll worry about that later. So that's the fit. The makeup, these are the lashes that were in my last get ready with me, and then I just put on some under eye concealer, a little concealer down my nose, and then the same lip combination. So this is just like a brown lip pencil from the beauty supply, and then my PYT plump lip gloss, the clear gloss. So we're doing that. I also need to get a screen protector and a phone case for my new phone. Finally got my phone, y'all. If y'all watched my last vlog, I had ordered the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it finally came in. And so I ordered some cases off of Shein, but they won't be in yet. So I'll show y'all those whenever I do the what's on my iPhone video / like the unboxing. I filmed that last night. And so yeah, I need something just to protect my phone while I'm like out and about before those cases come in. And then I didn't order a screen protector. That kind of slipped my mind. So need to do that. I also need to create some LTK posts just for like upcoming sales that's going on. And then I don't know what else we'll get into. I'm going over his house to spend the night tonight. So maybe he'll cook dinner, or I'll help him cook dinner. So I'm going to take y'all along the day with me. Like I said, currently headed to his apartment, and then we're going to grab lunch and take pictures out in the Buckhead area. So stay tuned.
Broke gas niggas need job calls. Used to use EBT to get seafood. Nah, Uber.
I'ma show you. Zany boss, was that door, brand new bag.
I've been fucking, popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers, they guessing they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, pull up on the Uzi and show up in the shot top. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. Hey, switch my whip, can't get black, I'm starting saying recipes of Bon Scott. Close that door, we put the smoke, she asked me light a fire like I'm on some. At the phone on stage, probably leave my fucking show on the cop car. Shit was legendary through a TV, I know we know what I'm on time. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get it. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting up, tryna grab up on my pants on the bitches, I'm trying to see they ain't got a man. Hey, I brought a friend. Yeah, hey. I've been fucking, popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers, they guessing they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, pull up on the Uzi and show up in the shot top. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta. I've been in the fields, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking really bad, just jumping in the pool and I ain't got on no bra. From the back, pulling on the dress and now she screaming out no more. They like marriage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars? I ain't with the cake and your kids that. If he say I'm looking like a host, green honey, so I say like a rock star. I'm living like a rock star.
Hey y'all, so we just left from taking pictures. I think we got some really good content. And now we're pulling up to Five Below to get the stuff from my phone. So I'll see y'all in a second.
Public and we run shit. Rush it out in public and we run.
So I forgot to tell y'all in the car that if y'all go to Shake Shack anytime soon, make sure to get the cider aid. It's like cider mixed with lemonade, and it was so freaking good. And then I just tried the Smoke Shack burger. Normally I get the regular stack burger, and that's what Jeremy got. But now we're about to walk into Five Below. So you want to say anything?
Yeah.
We'll see y'all inside.
You know the aux cord, you put it in here. This way. Hey, Dylan.
Come on. Dylan! Dylan, say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. You gonna run?
Why did he try to trick me? Okay.
Now he's panting. Okay, so we're back from the dog park. Dog, very tired. Anyway, let me show y'all what I got from Five Below. So I got this indestructible screen protector. It says that it's better than tempered glass. We'll see. Hopefully there's a warranty on this if it's not. And then I got this clear case, just because I didn't get a clear case from Shein, like a plain clear one. So I just got that. I didn't really like the pattern ones. And then I got this LED cube clip-on light, just for when I take pictures at night. It's kind of like the selfie clip-on, but it looks better. Like, it looks brighter. I don't know if it actually is, but it has 3 different modes. So we'll see about this. And then I think it takes batteries, and I have batteries at home. But here's my phone. And Jeremy's about to help me put the screen protector on, because I'm terrible at at applying screen protectors. So here's my phone. Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm. I got 2 phones and still I have to turn this one in. But now I'm about to start working on my LTK post for the Sephora sale that's going on right now. Whenever y'all see this video, the sale will be over, but you should have already been following me on LTK so you can see all of the deals that I post for major sales and just all of my outfit of the days, my looks, the beauty products that I use. So yes, y'all need to follow me. The link is always in my description box, and I'm about to basically kind of show y'all how I make my Canva posts, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, so first I'm just gonna go to Sephora.com, check out all the sale rules to make sure that I know exactly what's going on before I make my post. And then I'm going to screenshot a part of this sale page here just so that when people go to my LTK post, they'll know the discount already. And since they lined it out pretty nice here, I'm just gonna insert that whenever I go to Canva. So now I'm switching over to Canva and just clicking on the template that I have for all of my LTK posts. So just waiting for this to load, and then once it does, I'm going to scroll all the way down to my most recent post, and then I'll duplicate it, and then I'll just start fresh from there. So after duplicating that post, I'm going to change all of the wording and delete all of the old pictures. And now I'm going to insert the screenshot of the percentages from the Sephora site. So instead of removing the background from this picture, I'm just going to change the template background to white so everything blends in. Heading back to Sephora, I'm going to take a screenshot of my first product, and then I'm going to crop it before I save the screenshot, just to make it easier on me before uploading this into Canva. Now that I have the picture of the product, I'm just logging into LTK so I can get the link for the product. If I was on my MacBook, this would be way easier because there's a built-in widget on my computer, and I can always just save the link and then screenshot it after. But since I'm away from home, I'm having to use my phone and the iPad. But it's super simple, so I'm just going to the Sephora site on my phone through the LTK app, and then from there I'm going to click the link ninja, and then I'll add this product to my favorites, so whenever I go to the app to post, it will link it. So now I'm back on Canva, and I'm just going to upload the picture of the products that I have screenshotted and gotten the links for. After I've uploaded everything, I'll just arrange them to my liking, and here is the final product. I hope that y'all enjoyed this short tutorial, and let me know down below in the comments if there's anything that I can elaborate more on. I'm more than happy to help. Hey, so I just finished my must-haves post. Now, I finished the Canva post, but I still have to post it to the app and schedule it and like do the tagging and the caption and do all of the links, attach them to the post. I kind of showed y'all how you attach the links, but if you want more information and like an in-depth video on how I do my LTK posts, definitely let me know down below in the comments. But I'm just about to make a few more posts, and then I'll see y'all whenever I'm like eating dinner.
Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bruising, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bruising, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We